poach, little brother?
Do we have to steal other creatures' eggs? I mean, couldn't we just go vegan?
Sure, we can eat vegan.
Yeah, son, sometimes I wonder how you snuck into this family.
Figaro, 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 Figaro!
With you in a minute. I'll have to rinse and repeat.
Ugh, that weasel is such a buzzkill. Let's go, kids.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll catch the crew that poached your egg. It's a pun. I'm winking under the eye patch. A mother is crying, a damsel in distress. Foreboding intruders have made such a mess. What I detect is a lack of respect for all that is precious and dear. I am the pint-sized protector of this lost world. But my friends call me Buck. Well played, guys. I have a message. Bullies not welcome. Return what you've stolen. Go back where you came from. La 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 la. You know I'm greater, so don't be a hater. You may be Jurassic, but I am fantastic.
Figaro, 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 Figaro.
Oh, love that bit. Running and climbing and spinning and grinning and ducking and diving and dodging and sliding and gliding and staying alive. And these are a few of the things that I do before lunch. Death-defying, danger-denying. Look, I'm flying! You might think I'm mad, but hey, you only live once. No need to thank me. But if you insist, I won't resist. Who smells like fish? Hold on to your butts. Class D! Missed! Good egg. Here you are, my lady.